Hello everyone, welcome to the kitchen. I've got a very special recipe, but I always say that, don't I? But this is super special. It's a Millionaire's fudge, but within that I am putting your Christmas selection box chocolates. You know it's Christmas when that comes out. There's always a few left, isn't there? People don't like usually the coconut or the strawberry ones. I'd love to know what your favourite one is. First of all, I'm going to make a lovely biscuit base. I've simply got some crumbed digestives, which I've blitzed in a food processor, and some melted butter. Well, I'm just going to pour that over and mix it together. Sounds like someone trudging through the snow, doesn't it? Once it's all coated, tip it into your tin. Line this with 2 pieces of paper in a cross, so it's easy to get out. And then just sort of shake it so it goes all nice and flat. And then you can just press it down with a spoon. You just want to make sure it's really nice and compacted. Just going to pop that in the freezer and we're going to mix up our lovely milk chocolate fudge. What would you do if this video just was a half an hour long with me unwrapping all these sweets? Tara, can you unwrap these please? I'll get on to my fudge making. This is a really easy fudge. So I've got some milk chocolate and some condensed milk. I'm going to melt the milk chocolate. I'm just going to warm the condensed milk up to a similar temperature in my microwave. 30-second blast till it's done. There's my lovely melted milk chocolate, and my warm condensed milk is just going straight into that. Just mix it all together until it's completely combined. And you'll just see it will start to kind of look a bit more like a paste. Stop mixing it then and pour it into your tin. Just going to spread it down. Once it's flattened, it's time to shove in those chocolates. So literally, I'm just going to shove them in. Plunge them with the sort of tops upwards and just do it like a lovely chocolatey mosaic. Right, so they're all pushed. What's the technical term for that? Squished into the fudge. But I want to make the surface nice and level. So a good idea is just to get a bit of paper. And I'm going to just use a tin that's a bit smaller and just push that down nice and flat. So I'm really getting them sort of squished in there. Yeah. It's nice and flat. I'm now going to put that in the fridge to set for a few hours or overnight. And then I'm going to add a final Christmassy flourish. So I shall bring back my set one. Let's have a look. Ta-da! There is my set fudge. Look at it, it's so Christmassy. So one last thing, I thought I'd add a little bit of sparkle. So I've got some edible gold luster, which I'm going to put all over the top. Oh, this is brilliant. Brush it with my pastry brush and then it becomes all golden. Look at that. I'm so excited about this. I think this is probably one of the most favourite things I've ever decorated. This is a really good luster spray and it's bringing out all the detail on top of the chocolates. It's made it look really special. How cool is that? Look at it. Look at it shine. Look at it shine. Now it's time to cut it up. This is a perfect idea for little mini bite-sized treats for a party. I think I'm going to cut this into 9 generous squares. Should we have a look? Oh yeah, look. That's really, really fun. How cool is that? Look. This couldn't have turned out better. I've absolutely loved making this. I hope you do too. You can use any chocolates you like. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe if you don't mind. And I wish you a very Merry Christmas. Happy making. See you soon.